In this video, I will be showing you how to add nearby people on Snapchat. First, you need to log into your Snapchat account. On the top left corner, click the search box. Here, all you have to do is to type your city. Let's just say I'm living in the city. Once done, click enter, and then it will appear on the first. So all you have to do is to tap the name of your city. Now, once you tap that one, it will show you, or it will show a map where you're currently living in. And then when you swipe up, you can see the people living nearby your place. Let's just say this one. So all you have to do is to tap this add plus icon here. Tap this one, and it says chicken nuggets added. Now, if you want to add more, all you have to do is to go back, scroll, and find someone again on Snapchat, especially those who are living nearby your place or your city. So click the icon again, and then once done, it will appear click add. So all you have to do is to tap this one, and it will say added. So in this case, you are currently adding people who are using Snapchat and living nearby your city, or let's just say your place. So if you wanted to make friends with them, or just in case you know them, so all you have to do is same thing, just tap the plus icon, and that's it. That's how easy it is to add people who are living nearby your city using Snapchat. Thank you for watching.